Hey alchemists, today we're going to be doing brined lacto-fermented vegetables. This is kind of like a pickling method. We're not using vinegar, we're just using salt water, which is also called a brine. So here I have a kohlrabi. Of course you can use other hard vegetables like carrots or beetroot, things that you want to keep that shape. I'm going to do sticks. So we're not packing the jar super tight like we would with a sauerkraut. I'm also going to put some garlic in there. And this would also be the time to add in any other spices of your liking. I love coriander seed. To make a brine, 40 grams of salt per liter of water, which gives us a 4% salt brine. And now we're going to pour that over our vegetables all the way to the very, very top. You want to get your vegetables submerged under that brine. Your own homemade kraut weight to protect everything underneath. Now we're going to close it. Yes. And now we want to make sure that this is closed for at least 5 days. Consider fermenting your pickles rather than pickling your pickles with vinegar. It's just as easy as water and salt. Check out our online courses for lots of tips and tricks of how to make your pickles more alive and more bioavailable through fermenting.